Welcome to session 4. In this section, we will create our first project. Previously, we learned all of the basics of navigating Inkscape, so now let's use this application to create a business card. For this business card, I am thinking of using the laser cutter. I want to create something eye-catching and unique that contains my business information. To start off, I am going to drag and drop a square. Every time that you open Inkscape, you will have to change the unit of measurement, so I will change my measurement to inches. As of now, my square is about 4 inches by 2 inches. A standard business card is 3.5 inches by 2 inches. I can select my shape and change the measurements at the top toolbar. Since I will be working with a laser cutter, I have to think about the machine's limitations. A laser cutter will cut lines and will burn any solid areas, so I have to start off by removing the color in my business card. There is a white box at the beginning of the color wheel that has a red X across it. This removes color from all shapes and objects. Next, our business card has no current border or color, so if I were to set up the laser cutter and choose this file, it wouldn't even cut out the border as it is completely transparent. We can add a border to our business card by opening the Fill and Stroke menu. The border options will be under Stroke Paint. For now, I have selected the flat color option for my border and I am leaving it colored black. Next, I want to start off by adding some text to my card. After all, this is a business card, so I will be adding my business name as well. I can adjust the size and the font of the text at the top of the toolbar. Next, I will add more text to include contact information. Finally, my business has its own website, so I was thinking of transforming the website link into a QR code. There's many free QR code generators online. I will use a generator to create a QR code and then save it as an SVG file. Now that I have my QR code, I will import this file into Inkscape. The import option is available under File. A new window will pop up. From here, you can find your QR code file, select it, and click Open. For the next pop-up menu, leave all options as is and select OK. We now have our QR code. To resize an image, object, or shape, select the image, then hold the Control key on your keyboard and click and drag the arrows. The Control key helps us resize an object by keeping the aspect ratio. Now, our business card is finished. My next steps would be to import this file into the laser cutter software, and with some additional steps, we would have our brand new business cards.